What's going on, guys? Today in this video I'll be showing you how to create your professional logo so fast. I mean under 5 minutes you can have your logo. So to do that, the first thing, we will go to Google and then search for the Hot Logo Maker, and we're gonna enter to it. Link is in the description. So as you can see, guys, this is the interface like by default from the website. All we have to do is to delete this logo and title, and then we will hover over add symbol. We're gonna click on it, and then like a bunch of category gonna pop up. We have to choose like the category of our logo. So we have like multiple categories here. We have business, we have cinema, we have art, design, we have animals, we have like onchicons, like overall we have everything here. So all we have to do is just to choose like like a category that we want to create. For example, me, I'm gonna hover over like animals, and then I'm gonna look for a logo from here. Maybe this logo is cool, or either this logo. Like there are a bunch of good logos over here. So all you have to do is just to choose the logo that you want to create. For me, I'm gonna use this tiger logo. I'm gonna click on it, drag it, and then scale it a bit, and then align it. And after that, the colors are customizable. So if you click on this yellow, then you can change the name of yellow. You can change the color of the yellow to whatever color you feel like. And if you want to change this color, you can again like do it in another color, but me, I'm gonna let it as a default. So if you want to add like a shape, all you have to do is just to go to add shape and click on it, and then you can choose every shape that you want. Me, I'm gonna choose this circle over here. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna scale it a bit, and then put it on the top of my logo like this, as you can see, guys. And then I'm gonna drag all of this here. I'm gonna align it, and as you can see, guys, we have the logo, and we can add like a symbol over here by clicking add. No, sorry, we're gonna add like a text. I mean text. So we will drag our text that we can see, like the font. So I'm gonna change the fonts by clicking on A, and then you can do anything, like any font you feel like. There are a bunch of fonts here. Maybe I'm gonna choose something which is cool. I'm gonna choose this one, and then I'm gonna click on it and write the name of the thing that you are creating this logo on. For example, I'm gonna type like smart wave logo, for example. And you can scale it, of course. Like you can click on this plus over here. It's so easy, guys. And then you can align it the way you want. So that's our logo, and if you want to like download it, all you have to do is hover over save and download. You're gonna click on it, and then you're gonna enter your email here. and then you click save and continue. So your logo has been sent, and we have to go to our email, refresh it, and as you can see guys, this email pop up, and then we click on download from here. And then I'm gonna click show it in Finder, drag it to my desktop, and as you can see guys, our logo is here. And as you can see, there's all the formats here. There's PNG, SVG, EPS, and like a transparent version, and JPG. So all this are so fine. Let's see like the transparency, how it will look like. This is our logo guys. It looks pretty cool, and it's so fast and easy. So I hope you like this video guys, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that button like, and of course I will make a lot of videos that they are cool and so easy and so smart. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.